So when I first started riding, I didn't have access to things like the internet. That's how long ago it was. And getting your tyres changed was a simple task. You either removed the rims yourself and took them to a place, or if it was a workshop, they would fit the tyres for you. And if you're lucky enough, some of those places still do that today. You can find most of the tyres you want online, and they can be a lot cheaper. Problem is, you've then got to fit them yourself. Now, if you take them into a workshop, of course they're going to charge you for their time, and so they should. With rising costs, workshops have got to make money, or they're just not going to be around. But what if you want to do it yourself? Well, maybe the Rabaconda tyre changer is for you. Hey everyone, welcome to Roads of Oz. My name is Matt, and on this episode we're looking at the Rabaconda tyre changer. Now this video isn't a how-to or an instruction video, it's more a review video. If you're after a how-to video, check out the Gorilla Bikers video I've got in the link below, and there's also a link to the Rabaconda instruction video as well. Now the first thing I want to talk about is the price. These things aren't cheap. Here in Australia, they start at $1,300. So if you just get the basic kit, you still need the grease brush. If you've got a BMW, you'll need the shaft drive adapter, the duck head kit, and there's also a big hub adapter. These come all in the ultimate kit. In Australia, it's about $1,650 to $1,660, depending on what distributor has it. Now, sadly, the Ducati hub adapter is an extra $50. There was a time it come with the kit, so if you find one of the older kits and it's got the Ducati hub adapter, get that. Even if it's a touch older, it's still the same unit and you're saving yourself an extra $50. You've also got to factor in another $350 for the tyre balancer, so you're not going to get much change out of $2,000. That sounds very expensive for what it is, and your break-even point is going to be quite some time. Even if you change tyres twice a year, on a $200 saving, it'll take you 5 years. Change that tyre once, and that's 10 years before you see a break-even point. But while we're talking about break-even points, you've got to factor in things like ease of use. This system is so much easier than using the old 3 tyre lever method. Anyway, let's have a look at it. For this case, I was putting slicks on the RSV. Now, where I bought the slicks from, because I was secondhand, the guy actually fitted them for me, but I didn't have the front tyre off at the time. So at home, I just brought the tyre home, and I thought, what a great opportunity to use the Rabaconda. Now, a top tip is leave the tyres out in the sun, let them get warm on both the tyre you're removing and the tyre you're installing. It just makes life that much easier. Now, one of the biggest hurdles I have is remembering how to set this thing up. Because I don't use it that often, I just have to refer to the instructions, get it together, but once it's set up, my God, it makes life easy. Removing the tyre, you've got so much more leverage using this system, the tyre comes off a lot easier. I'll get the coffees on Wednesday.
So that's done.
Fairly more to work out. We'll turn it out?
Yep. Up. Watch your face.
Not my face. And as for putting it on, you don't have the dreaded time where you're putting the tyre on, and as you're putting it on, the bit at the other end starts coming off again. This system helps put the tyre on so much easier. Oh, duck it.
Yeah. What would you? Dickhead. Oh, dickhead. Stops. Keeps the
Tyre from moving?
tyre in the.
Oh, okay.
In the wheel arch. In the drop centre.
Yep.
And from popping out.
How much easier is that?
What's the pressure?
Let's put in 32 will do.
32.
Yeah.
Even though they run them a lot lighter.
Yep. I'll do.
I'll do.
Yeah. And packing up, well, it all goes nice and easily back in the bag, and you can store it on a shelf and it's out of the way. So would I get one? Well, absolutely. It will save you time and money in the long term, and also it's just convenient. You can change the tyres at your own leisure. Definitely get the ultimate kit, and if you've got a Ducati, you're gonna have to shell out for the Ducati hub. Anyway, that's pretty much it for me. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this video interesting. And if you like this vid, check out some other review videos. just here.